Hello everybody, welcome to another video of the Kin Twins channel, where kids teach kids. It is autumn, and all around us, the trees are turning orange and red. Today, we are at our art room, where we have decorated our paper mache tree using Dale Chihuly inspired glass leaves. We hope you can see the hidden jack-o'-lantern. Today, we are exploring the works of Dale Chihuly. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. We are kids who want to teach other kids about the world we see. Dale Chihuly is an American glass sculptor. He creates very large-scale blown glass sculptures, often displayed in botanic gardens and glasshouses around the world. Here in London at Kew Gardens, we visited Chihuly's exhibition called Reflections on Nature, where beautiful glass art is located across the grounds. Art, science, and nature combine in Chihuly's dazzling sculptures that transform the gardens and glasshouses into a contemporary outdoor gallery space. Chihuly explains that his work is inspired by nature in the Pacific Northwest of the United States. Being surrounded by monumental mountains, massive bodies of water, and forests that are overwhelming in scale and beauty have inspired him to place his work in natural settings. Works like the spectacular sapphire star, the summer sun, and a scarlet and yellow icicle tower shows the great beauty of Chihuly's sculptures. Hey guys, welcome to another video of the Kin Twins channel. And today we're going to be introducing you to Chihuly, the blue sapphire. We are in Kew Gardens, and today we're going to be showing you some photos and some videos of the sculpture, like this one. So let's go! 3, 2, 1! Grandma, because she loves all these plants. Let me totally see how it's connected so well. It's like a landing. Inspired by his work, we are creating a sculpture in the style of Dale Chihuly. We are working with recyclable plastic instead of glass. We have saved a lot of plastic cups and bottles. Then we have colored using Posca and Slavko markers, which are bright and color really well on plastic. After painting the plastic, we need to melt the plastic in an oven. The plastic melts very quickly and produces beautiful and different shapes. We are using an oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Let's go see. Okay, we have gathered loads of our plastic cups that we have colored in. See? So now, to start, we will have to take some scissors and cut some lines. Like this. Okay, now time to put it in the oven. Okay, in the oven they are. And they've already are. Okay, as you can see, we put this in the oven. And look, see, the yellow one is melting. See? Okay. The orange. The red. Wow, that's just amazing. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, as you can see, any second now they're going to start melting. Now you can see that purple one I done. It is already melting, and wow! Okay, time to open it, time to open it. Even if all of them are not really done. Yes. Okay guys, audience, if you can... It smells so beautiful, they're like clear. Yeah, you can see the green ones barely got it, but it's good. So, yeah, time to show one of them to you guys. Okay, now we are changing to bottles. Now, you will need a pattern to help you with this part. So, you will have to take a bottle and you will have to take cut off the top, or it'll just squish your bottle and then you won't have it'll just have a smushed bottle because your bottle needs to have free space so it can go like that. So my mom helped me with her knife to cut the sides. So now I'm going to finish it off with my scissors. Okay, now as you can see we have two of them right here. And now we're going to put them in the oven. Right, take them out. Oh, yeah, actually not yet. I think that's all they can go. No. It's still moving. I like this one right there. Like it's so smushed up and so cute. Okay. Ooh, it looks like a little like comet. Wow! Oh my God, everyone's so Star Wars looks like a comet that has. Okay. It's gonna go fast. Wow! Oh wow, they're already squishing. Time to open. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. They cannot be part of it. Keep on squishing. Whoa. It also looks like a swan at the same time. It kind of looks like a swan in the same way it looks like. It's opening. Crazy, open it now. Oh, that's so strong. Now that all the plastic is melted into these beautiful shapes, we are arranging our sculpture using all the pieces and a glue gun. We're going to be organizing them by color, just like Chihuly does. Now, maybe this one attaches this side, that pink, maybe this blue will do, yes. Maybe some red, there, some red will go here maybe, and maybe this one will have maybe like a brown under it. it's time to display our sculpture here at our art room. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.